Hi, this is Ron Nutter and welcome to another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the Cuisinart Electric Can Opener and 3 features you need to know about. Number 1, Cuisinart is an old line name in the grocery appliance area. A lot of times you associate it with the higher end, but this is one that has the quality of Cuisinart. It has the motor that's been engineered by Cuisinart. So this has been very much of a Cuisinart product, but it doesn't cause you to get a bank loan. Now, unlike a lot of the desktop appliance industry, this one has a warranty very much different from the others. It has a 3-year warranty. Most of the ones that I've seen on the desktop side have 90 days to a year is fairly common. Some of the real budget stuff, well, your warranty is when you get it home, plug it in, and it turns on. There's your warranty. Sorry, that's a little bit sarcastic. Number 3, this is easy to clean. So what we've got here is this one section up here at the top, the handle, and where the blade comes right into the gear that grinds against the can. Now that needs to be kept clean so that you avoid having problems. So all we have to go in and do is lift up the lever, and guess what? It pops right out. So you can't make it any better or easier than that. And then here's what you're seeing on the other side. So it's got plastic where it makes more sense to. It says, you see screws in it, that's all metal in there, plus a little magnet piece there to help grab the top of the can and keep it from falling back in. So what we'll do is get it back in here, drop it down, and that's it. You can't be any easier than that. So take a look at this one, and this is a handy one to have when there's days that hand run can opener just doesn't cut it.